we see the first signs of a little beak poking out. So this one is starting to open on the bottom. And so
all the stories of people that think if he could do it, I could do something too. Do you have any stories that you could share with us about?
we've heard a little bit of peeping, and that one's busy. Busy. What is that, Peppy? So that one's breaking its way out.
I wonder if that's going to be the first one.
It might be. I don't know. That's the best view right over here. Okay, baby, it won't be long.